Kung isa kang freelancer or VA tapos naghahanap ka ng free invoice generator or quote generator, try mo to. So isa lang tong option or alternative for you kasi meron naman tayo mga payment methods na may invoicing na such as PayPal, Payoneer, meron na rin mga invoices dyan. And itong isi-share ko naman ay PDF file siya na you can customize free text and all for free. Tapos, attach mo na lang sa email for your client. Google mo lang invoice generator and ayan, yung unang-unang link, invoice-generator.com. Pagdating sa website, dito ka na mapupunta, ayan. May mga ads lang, pero itong template na to, sobrang solid tapos libre siya. You can input your name here, client name, email, tapos lagay mo rin yung mga line items or yung packages mo, for example. As an example lang, if you are a social media manager, tapos lagay mo lang yung packages mo and yung rates. Pwede mo rin i-change yung currency, depende talaga. And include lang yung details ng package. Pwede, free text yan. Ayan, pwede maglagay ng iba't ibang line item. So, very formal and professional siya. Tapos itong invoice, pwede may change yan. Baka kung sakaling quote pa lang siya, ayan, pwede. Tapos sa baba, terms and notes, pwede ilagay bank details. Tapos download as PDF. And then email to client na lang. Basic lang siya, libre, pero very formal tingnan.